I know it's been a while. It's been like a lot of weeks since my last video. I was just so busy with like playing Fortnite and sleeping and stuff that I didn't have time to make a video. So in this video, I will be showing you how to install toilet paper into your bathroom. A lot of people have trouble with this. It's pretty highly requested video. Not the highest. The highest is coming in a few days, but maybe next week. But I'll just show you how I install the toilet paper in my bathroom. But I don't know, maybe people do it differently than me, but I think I do it the best way. Like, it's the most cost effective, like, and it's really like time efficient too, so it's all about the time efficiency, right? So alright, I guess I'll go show you right now. Alright, so here's the bathroom where we will be installing the toilet paper. It goes right here in these things. So what I like to do, I like to sit the toilet paper just on the toilet and then stick the pole in the middle like so. Pick it up, and then you line up that circular part in that, and then you line it up in the hole, and you stick it in the hole, and then you do the other one too, and it snaps into place, and then there you go. Now you can wipe your poo and you'll be fine, and it won't come off because it's really sturdy. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a quick little tutorial. If you have any more requests for videos, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll look at them and try to make a video. Bye. Alright, see you. Okay, bye.